So it's Sunday, the 7th of December 2025, and we're at the last Mosaic workshop of the year. Yay! So we have Mark here with his bumblebee. And how are we finding today's workshop?
Very good. I've learned a lot, even in the short period of time I've been here, and the company's been fabulous.
Brilliant. We've had a hoot. So here is our Mark's bee. Now, he's never mosaic before, and I think...
Well, that shows it.
No, not at all. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. And then we have the wife of aforementioned Mark, Sue.
Hi there.
Sue's been before, and Sue is a glass-on-glass mosaic artist.
That's right.
So...
This has been amazing because it's a completely different medium, and I've learnt so much. These workshops are well worth coming to because it cuts so differently and you learn different techniques. And Caroline is a great tutor. I'm not just saying that. She's not paying me, even though I am getting a gorgeous bowl of soup for lunch. But look at this. I've never done anything like this before. This is my robin because it's almost Christmas. There we go.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Susie Q. That's beautiful. It's really kind. Right, and then we have Eve, Eve and Vicky came yesterday to the workshop. And how is it going today, Vicky? Eve.
Me? Really good, thank you. Yes, loving it today. I loved it yesterday, but I'm loving it more now.
Oh, bless your heart, bless your heart. And there's another beautiful cat of a Staffordshire cat variety with a crown.
Yes.
Look at the crown. And then we've got our Vicky here.
Hello.
And Vicky's using the circlage. When I show people how to cut a circle with the tile side biters, she's doing a little bit of repurposing with her mosaic work.
You did say you had rather too many.
I just one too many circles. So how you find it out, Vicky?
Today, wonderful. I feel like I'm solidifying the knowledge that I gained yesterday.
Beautiful.
Because yesterday was really amazing. Never ever done anything like this before. But the simplicity of the tools, the way it's presented, and you get on and you can finish something like, I can't believe that I've got two things. I'll have two things to take home.
I'll show
Having done
everyone
2
that.
days on the trot.
Fantastic.
It's absolutely amazing. And the lunchtime soup, I'm looking forward to.
I tell you, it's on the cooking. It might be on the boil now. But I thought, thank you again, Vicky. Thank you, Eve. I thought I'd show you the groutingness. I've done them a favour and grouted for them. And I find that actually grouting for the folks so that they can focus on the mosaic making is just right. But I do give a demonstration on how to grout. This is Vicky's inspiration from Cave Cana, the Pompeii mosaic dog that was found in Pompeii. So it's the cat version. So it's the cat. Was it cat? Cave Cato.
Cave Catus, I think.
Cave Catus. There we go. And this is our Staffordshire cat.
Yes.
Look at that. I just love that because there's a little bit of Parandilo where the tile looks like eyes. It's just beautiful. I love it. Needs a bit of a clean up because there's a little bit of gluageness, so we'll do a little pop of that later. But here we are, Caroline Jerrywell, Mango Mosaics workshop, over and out. Say goodbye, everybody.